Good morning guys, my delivery came yesterday. I ordered this black rice, Rebirth heirloom black rice. This is from Thailand, but I ordered it in Amazon. This is a healthy rice. I used this since maybe 5 years ago, but I alternate it with white rice. This is very healthy with lots of irons and antioxidant. This is the black rice inside. That one. Iron antioxidant. Product of Thailand. You can order it at Amazon. This is used by people with diabetics. If you are diabetic, this is good rice for diabetic. It does not raise your sugar, but if my sugar is high, I eat black rice. So this is good for diabetics. So try it. It's a nutty flavor. It's good. It's delicious.